You ever sat in your Mercedes GLC 300 and felt that uncomfortable, tired, worn out seat bottom? Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix it without spending thousands at the dealership. Okay, so we're going to pull the whole seat out the vehicle. So the first thing we're going to do is detach the seat belt. We're going to have to take this part out. Okay, it looks like the seatbelt is attached here with an airbag. So what we're going to do is we need to disconnect the negative terminal on the battery first. We're going to unbolt the seat before we do that. Okay, we're going to take this E14. Just pay attention to the yellow. That's the most important. That's the seat. What is that? That's for the airbags right there. So you gotta pay attention to that. So we gotta disconnect the battery and probably let it sit for about 10 or 20 minutes so it can recharge. And we unhook everything up, unhook that, unhook the seat belt, unhook the airbag on the seat belt, and then we can go ahead. Then we can go ahead and pull it out and do what we need to do inside the shop and to make it easier. One thing. You might be able to do this for 15 minutes. So here reset. Okay, last one right here. Okay, we got everything's unhooked. So now what we're gonna do is put a little blanket here so nothing gets scratched. And then we can pull the seat out. Okay, so I'm just going to assess everything, seeing what I need to take off. You know, this piece got to come off. So we'll look for any hidden screws, any bolts. So I know for one, this and this got to come off. So we're going to see what's going on with this side piece first. So now we gotta figure out how this bottom piece come out. Okay, now I got that off, I can start taking the cover off. So we're just gonna start peeling it up. So far so good. So nothing, I'll take the reds up. Okay, got that part out. We come back to the middle part. Okay. Oh yeah. But probably heater connection is holding it down. Okay, if you want to order a replacement part for your Mercedes or any other vehicle, go to our website, type in your year, make, and model, select your color, and we'll make it for you. As you see here, it'll be the same great quality as the original. All clips and stitching will line up perfect to make the installation process very easy. The order link will be in the description. Let's get back to the install video. Same texture. Good. So back out the see if place. Open first. All right, now we need to figure out how to get this piece off. Want to see it real good? No, pressure on the back, got it. Oh, okay. Go to exclusivecoverageusa.com to order a replacement part for your vehicle.